I didn't push her over there. All right, so since the start of summer, folks, we've been highlighting the fashion and the trends for this season, but we have not touched hair yet. And who better than this lady, Neelise, to talk us through what's popping for the summer. Good morning.
Good morning.
Purple hair.
Oh, yeah.
Purple pinkish.
It's a crazy, it's crazy purple. Yep.
As opposed to sane purple.
Yeah, it's actually a crazy purple, so you see the different texture and highlight, but pretty much I used different hair colors to achieve these colors.
All right, so hold on. Let's start at the beginning. So short hair is in.
Most definitely.
For the summer.
You can't not have short hair. Short hair, don't care. It's the in thing. Sorry, Simi. Yep.
You know,
anyway, so
I joke.
It's all right.
Yeah, so people are chopping.
And pretty much between chopping, you have the extensions that we can play around with to get the look of a short hair if you don't feel like cutting your own hair.
Yeah.
But persons are now getting bold that they decide that, listen, why not just chop the hair?
And it's hot.
And it's hot, yeah.
And it's trendy.
Yes.
And it's easy to maintain.
Easy to maintain. I know that some persons will complain about the gym factor that when they go, but I just give them different method that, you know, they can tie it on their hair, just use a nice fashionable scarf, and it will absorb. Just make sure it's a silk scarf so it absorbs you know, the sweat and stuff like that. And there's different moisture and conditioners, leave-in conditioners that you can do because, you know, with sweat, it damages also the hair. So you pretty much want to protect it.
Does it depend on the texture of the hair? Because Gabby's hair is different from, Petra's hair is different from Nicole's hair. So, I mean, when we process our hair and we sweat, it drops.
Yeah, it depends on the texture of the hair, but guess what happened? The same thing. The type of chemicals that you use and the moisturizers that you use to protect your hair. Because even going to the gym, like, you know, back in the days, you know, your grandmothers used to talk about the different remedies that they use, you know, the
single Bible and aloe vera.
Aloe vera, right. Yeah. So what I normally start to tell my clients that pretty much if you have an aloe vera tree in or you have somebody having to scrape it. You can also put it in the refrigerator so it can keep for you, and also you can put it on your hair as a hair protector. Okay. So it protects the hair, and even when it comes on to breaking the hair and stuff like that, you can use that.
Okay. All right, this lady knows what she's talking about. She's been stylist to many stars, including Tara Banks, and she was here for,
America's Next Top Model, Rebecca Fox, and the list goes on.
Right, so we've got Nicole, who's Jamaica's next top model, and Petra, who's the next top model after Nicole and then Gabby. Tell us how you're going to infuse the color now, which is on trend for the summer.
For the trends, so we have the different shades and stuff like that. This is a jade, and yesterday I actually mixed.
Hold on, so you color it yourself?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so yeah.
So you just take the weft.
Yeah, and these are normally, because you have from the stages, different stages that you can take it down to have all
Is this a don't try this at home, please?
No, you know, it can be fun and playful and do it at home too. Okay. So actually, oops, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. So actually, what I did to my hair yesterday is by using, because these are all clip-ons, by the way, and that's the next best thing too. So you don't have to use glue or stitch if you don't want to. You can use clip-ons. So like after the show, I can just snap these out, and because I did it actually for the show. So and then I colored this yesterday by using the crazy purple to give me this beautiful color that I have. Yesterday, for Gabrielle, that, you know, she has natural hair, I actually used the raspberry
Come, they want
pink.
to see. Come, let's walk. So let's start with, you're going to start with Gabby or you're going to start with Nicole? Tell us what you've done with Nicole.
Actually, Nicole is already prepped.
Yeah, I see.
So I can always start with Nicole because she's pretty much prepped and all I have to do is pretty much style. What I did, because she wanted to have a little volume and a little fun and a little color, I just add different shades of highlights in her hair. And just take her down. So it's just very fun and easy. So she's really
Nikki,
easy.
how you feel?
Great.
Yeah.
So she's very easy and playful and fun for the summer.
So she can mohawk it up?
Yeah, she can do anything to the side. Yeah. She can wear it straight. She can do whatever she wants. So she's pretty much easy, not much. And the great thing, when you have a good cut, you really just need your fingers.
All right.
So if you notice, I just use fingers. And then we just add a little spray, and she's good to go.
Okay, move over to Petri. You have 2.5 minutes. Let's see how good you are at this.
Whoop, whoop, oh, well, 2.5
on the clock, on the clock, girl.
All right, so Gabrielle, can you bring my scissors? Gabrielle, She's fun.
Oh wait, I'm assistant now?
Yeah,
I knew
she's
that.
fun.
Thanks, Nick.
And she just don't want to be boring. She wants to just add a little vibe to her hair. So I'm just gonna add some little.
So you put the clips on the wet
Yes,
too
I
there?
did. I saw everything. I make everything. So we're just going to add a little vibe. Sim, you have my scissors?
Gabby, I'm your able assistant. Of course, I have your scissors.
All right, so with Gabby, I'm just gonna just pretty much
trim it up.
Trim it up.
And then you come visit and get your cut.
Don't it? Oh, what?
So
That's very funky.
This is very funky. She's very edgy. So there.
Gabby, you're a punk rocker?
Yeah. She loves that.
I like that. Okay.
Let's see if I can get this done.
I don't know why you have more than enough time. You have a minute and a half.
All right. So just to add a little color, hold this a second.
Let me come over
just
here.
to pop a little color. Bring scissors for me, Sim.
This is not in my contract, you know, Lisa.
Yeah, just to add a little color and funness to her hair for the summer. She wants to have a little vibe. This now we have to bond it because I didn't get a chance to do the clip on. She understands. She's also a makeup artist, and she was.
I can see from the contours on the
yeah.
makeup is so
okay.
Swagerifically done. Oh,
so just
like
add
that.
Can you get the next piece just to give her a little bit more
volume?
You know,
so I can't. Lisa, I'm not work with it.
All right, just a piece. Quick. Let's see if I'm like the best speedest or faster than Usain Bolt right now. Usain, if you watch this, guess what? Not even you can move so fast. 2 minutes? How much more minutes I have?
We've got 30 seconds.
All right, 30
You're doing well, because we've got the idea. Oh, you're giving her a minute? She was doing so well.
That is good. All right.
We're nice to you.
So, and this, because, you know, she can wear a bob, and just to have the little highlight, please don't drop out.
You know, glue it in proper? Here are your scissors, miss.
So, whew.
Don't turn your back to the camera, Miss
Lisa.
There you go.
Turn the back. Yeah, perfect. I have to take it over to her.
Let me help you. Assistants help.
Right. So
you're gonna give her
I'm just gonna do a simple little cut, and I'm just gonna jag it. So I just
gonna jag
it. So just jag it so it still blends back with her hair, so I don't lose her hair length. But just to give her a little funk and flavor.
And it comb. Simple.
Simple.
So guys, if you want a pop of color for the
and
summer,
just a pop of color.
Yeah, man, you can go check Lisa and she can set you up from that's so
and even
cute.
if she, because she has length, she can still wear her little short, but just have her little hair color.
Too cute.
And just simple and elegant and classy. And there you have it. Did I do the time?
You did it! High five!
Yay!
Go team! Oh, jeez, I'm crying. Then missed the high five. We're going to have to do it again.
Oh, all right. So high five.
But this time, Maria, okay.
Yeah.
That was scissors and everything involved.
Yeah.
19 Arden Road, 19?
19 Arden Road.
19 Arden Road is where you find this lady. And then after she style your hair, then she can style your outfit and you will be on trend for the summer, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much, stylist and owner of House of Neolise, Lisa McIntosh Aries. Thank you, Nicole, Petri, and Gabby for rocking these looks for us this morning. Nicole, take the work serious, you know? You see our mugger face? No, Jesus. You have to go leave your 9 to 5. We'll be right back. Nicole, you take it.